In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to make e-portfolio in Weebly. So first of all, go to weebly.com and sign up here with your Google account or whatever account you have. Once you sign up here, then go to website, and now under it we need to click on edit site. Once we click on it, then it will show you website. If you don't have any website here, then tap on create site. But I have a website here, and now I want to edit it to portfolio website. So for that we need to click on edit here, and now it will take us to Weebly editor. From here we can edit our portfolio website or whatever website you want to edit here. Now I want to change my theme to portfolio website. So for that, on the Weebly editor we need to click on theme from here. Once we click on it, then click on change theme, and under it will show you all of the themes Weebly have. Like you can see online store themes, business themes, portfolio themes, personal, event, blog and other. So I want to go with portfolio one, so that's why I need to select portfolio right here, and then you can see bunch of portfolio websites are here. So let's say I want to go with this theme. So for that I need to click on preview first if you want to preview it, or you can go with choose option to directly apply that theme on your Weebly editor. And now we just need to wait for a moment, and then that theme will be applied on our Weebly website. You can see the theme has been applied. Now you can do whatever changes you want on your portfolio site. Let's say I want to change this text. So for that I need to select it, and now press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all of the text. And now to change its color we need to click here and then choose the color you want. So let's say I want to go with yellow one, then I need to select it and now click anywhere you want. And now you can see the color has been changed. If you want to change its font, then again select all text here, and now you can also bold it, you can also italic it, you can underline it. So all of the settings for your text are here. You can also change the case of your characters. And now I want to change this color. So for that I need to select this background, then click on edit background, and now you can change its color. So let's say I want to go with this one. So basically you just need to select the element, and then it will show you the options to edit those elements. So let's say I want to now add an element here. You can see all the elements on the left panel. You can see title, text, images, gallery. So basically you can add any element on your screen you want. So let's say I want to add an image on my site. So for that I need to select this image element right here, and then drag and drop it wherever you want. So let's say I want to place it here. Now I just need to leave it, and then that element will be added on my screen, and I can move it anywhere I want. So let's say I want to place it here, and now to upload an image inside this element I need to click on it, then click on upload a photo from your computer, and let's say I want to upload this one. Then I need to select it, then hit open, and then that image will be uploaded on my site. I just need to wait for a moment until it's get uploaded, and you can see the image has been uploaded here. But I don't want to keep it on my site, that's why I need to click on this cross icon and then click on delete, and that's how we can get rid of any element. And now if you want to add any video or any spacer, you can add all those elements from this left panel. Now let's say I am on my home page of my website and I want to switch it to the another page. For that I just need to click on that tab. Let's say I want to edit this services page. So for that I just need to click on it, and then it will take me to the services tab where we can edit services page. You can see this is the services page. If you want to change this text, then select that text and write anything you want, just like this. And now if you want to change the text here, then select that text, and now you can edit or customize your text from here. You can also customize these options. So basically this is the theme for portfolio, and as I show you at the beginning of the video, you can choose any theme you want and you can get all of these options according to your theme. Let's say I want to edit my about page. For that I need to select this page here, and then I'll be redirected to the about page here. And once you've done all of these things, you can see these are the images. In case if your site or your theme has an images and you want to replace it with your own, then for that select that image, and here we'll see an option of replace image. Select that option, click on upload from your computer and select the image which you want, and then hit open, and you can see my image has been perfectly replaced on my Weebly site. And now to preview your site on our mobile screen, for that we need to click on this icon here and then switch it to mobile, and then it will show you your site on the mobile screen. We just need to wait for a bit, and you can see the site is available on my mobile screen like this. And now I want to publish my site. For that click on publish, and now it will start publishing my site here, and you can see my site has been published successfully. But in case you face any problems while publishing your site, then it's because you haven't selected your subdomain yet. which I have got weebly.com here. This is a free domain, but if you don't want to include this Weebly watermark, then for that we need to purchase a domain first and then we need to connect it on Weebly, and that's how you can publish your site on Weebly. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.